has wings and one or more engines and is capable of moving through the air. It is one of the fastest transportation in the world till now. There are different types of airplanes such as passenger airplanes, cargo flights, private jets, fighter jets, helicopters, biplanes, space shuttle, etc. It's called passenger airplane. It's called hot air balloon. It's called biplane. It's called helicopter. It's called gyroplane and it also called autogyro. It's called zeppelin. It's called drone. It's called propeller plane. It's called turboprop aircraft. It's called private jet. It's called army jet. It's called army helicopter. It's called space shuttle. It's called supersonic aircraft. It's called firefighting helicopter. It's called swing wing aircraft. It's called jumbo jet. It's called tanker plane. It's called monoplane. It's called guard aircraft. It's called barbets. It's called floor plane. It's called large aircraft. It's called scale models. It's called Stowdagger. It's called ultimate biplanes. It's called Lancer aircraft. It's called fighter jet. It's called rocket. It's called bomber aircraft. It's called triplane. It's called cargo aircraft. It's called hang glider. It's called sports aircrafts. It's called rescue helicopter. It's called military helicopter. It's called paraglide. It's called Coast Guard helicopter. It's called trainer plane. It's called seaplane. It's called blip and it also called airship. It's called cable car. It's called multi-purpose helicopter. Thanks for watching.